Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y28 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now before I get started, I am going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of things like screen locks. If you have one set that you don't know, this will just get rid of it. It also unfortunately gets rid of all the other data. So to get started, all you need to do is just, if you're on a lock screen or home screen, just hold the power button and volume up and then press power off button. The device will turn off, and once it does, again hold power button and volume up at the same time. From fastboot mode, using volume down, you want to select recovery mode and then press power button to confirm that selection. Give it a moment and this will take us to the recovery mode from which we can factory reset the device. So here you will want to select clear data and then clear all data and confirm it. This process here takes about like 10 seconds or so to finish up, and once it's completed, which should be any moment now, just give it a little bit longer than a moment. There we go. I'm gonna select return, then click on this back arrow right here, and you want to select restart and OK. And this will now reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. This will take about a minute, 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once that's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.